The family members of 21-year-old Lilio Loris Walang, whose lifeless body was found in mysterious circumstances, has urged the police department to take swift action and bring the culprits to justice. A week and counting since the incident, the perpetrators remain unidentified. Lilio Loris, the sixth daughter of dancing Nongstoiñ and Wentina Walang, left home on January 20th at 7 a.m. but never returned. After informing the police, a joint search led to the discovery of a lifeless body at 4:30 p.m. at Nongstoiñ. The family believes she was murdered, as her body bore signs of severe injuries.
Ihir suppose di tadate tanga brong la iwan would not mar iwan ne junga ki en birat la police that kong kang la bro en birat tanga brong her no sul mari her di tada sul tanga de ya di tada hati musta kapalim ti kondi tay talenga de ong ami kan ne tela arba jela ba je chibut lak mit la te pun pulit no tanga puni te pulit ndala puni te pulit kila mari le kwai ti omong ta